Fabulous. Are you an out-of-state visitor?
Are you maybe dip into it and like slip the R and U? Are you an out-of-state visitor? Because we've got a slight problem with that R. Are you an out-of-state visitor? I think if you make it one word, are you an out-of-state visitor?
Are you an out-of-state? Yeah, okay. That's fabulous. Are you an out-of-state visitor?
Nice. That's nice. Yeah.
Are you an out-of-state visitor? Are you?
Yes, I'm from Christmastown. Then be sure to stop at our visitor service. Then be sure to stop. Be sure to stop. Then be sure to stop.
Then be sure to stop.
Yeah, nice. So then be sure to stop at our we got another hour at our. So like at our, so instead of being at our, then be sure to stop at our visitors services department.
Visitors services department.
To pick up your discount card.
To pick up
your discount card.
To pick up your discount card. Discount. Count.
Your discount. Discount.
Discount card.
Nice. Discount card.
Discount card. Discount. Then be sure to stop at our visitor services department to pick up your discount card.
Nice.